YouTube, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, I bought two cars. First things first, I got this car. I didn't buy it. I'll explain to y'all how I got this one, but I bought that one. It is a V6 Chrysler 300, little base model 300. No, I did not dirty the car like this. I got it like this. It's been a couple of days since I've had it and I've done nothing to it. Got a panoramic sunroof. Hold on, let's just dim down. They got no tail lights. Does have a backup camera. Got some dents right here. Fender, door. Might have to replace both fenders. I am replacing the headlights, putting new tail lights on it. This is probably going to be my daily for a little bit until I decide to Hellcat swap it. But for the meantime, I'm gonna get her right, make her look like a cat. That's my young boy John. He got this John looking like a cat, but it's a V6 too. Shit, even got this 300. That's a V6. The whole KOC team got V6 300s. But eventually, we all gonna Hellcat swap every single one of them. Little summer projects.
I mean, that Brembo.
Yeah, good little Brembos on a rear cradle. She's a whole Scat rear cradle.
Rear cradle took 3 days.
Rear cradle took us 3 days because I'm pretty sure some of y'all know these 300s, they be a little rusty. No matter what year it is, they always rusty for whatever reason. But we got the Scat cradle on. Stay tuned for what he's gonna do next to it. Alright y'all, so the story on how I ended up with this Scat Pack. So I bought a Hellcat Charger wide body that I was gonna put into a Chrysler. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some videos for y'all after I explain to y'all how I got this car. But long story short, I had bought the Cat to put into a Chrysler, and then the Cat ended up needing more parts than I anticipated on doing. Like as far as getting more parts, it needed a whole bunch of front cooler stuff. The car was T-bone. So I just decided to part out the car, and I had a motor and trans. Then I ended up trading for the Scat Pack. But the previous owner spray painted the car satin black. I don't know if that's the look he was going for, but the quality wasn't up to my standards. So I sold the whole satin black wide body kit and went ahead and picked up another gray wide body kit from someone on Instagram that hit me up and said he had this kit for sale. If anybody are selling wide body wheels, DM me. The wheels that were on there, they were nice, but they were mixed match. Like one of them was black, the rest of them was gray. I'd rather have all matching wheels. So I sold the wheels and I sold the black kit. But this is the car. It is a 2020 with 73,000 miles. Has a cracked windshield. It needs a few things. It got some lights on the dash. Sounds alright. Let me go ahead and start it up for y'all. Starts right up. Does need a new active exhaust. I will be taking care of all of this. Now this door being orange was just a door I had sitting in the back. That's the only reason it's on here, and it was just crazy that it matches the original color. This car was originally slim body. I don't know if you guys can tell, but previous owner, he ended up wide bodying it. So I'm gonna make sure it stays wide body. Hellcat touchdown. Forklift said he might have to bust the back windows out because the position the car is sitting, they don't think the forklift can get it. So we shall see. I'm not really fixing the frame, so it's not a big deal if you lift it by the roof. Girl say leave the car right here. All these cars waiting. Dragging that joint like a toy car. Oh my goodness. That shit hurt my heart just seeing this shit. Peace, y'all. Rear guts on them. Damn, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I might put this in a 300. I already took a peek, but check this out. Whole fucking motor's turned sideways. But overall, that don't seem like too much broke. So I might just put it in a 300. Sir, my toe is here. My boy Ed always coming through. Trunk don't even want to close no more. Yeah, we should have left that thing closed.
It's fucking angle. I don't know.
It's a good job. I'll see you at the shop. Shit soggy, but we're gonna make something happen with that puppy. Dudes, as you guys can see, we got the car at the shop and we already got started. This is the worst part about buying cars that's crashed, is getting this shit off. Come on, get that shit off. Damn. Damn.
I did.
So you put a camera on, niggas become Superman. I unbolted it.
Oh, it's already fucking done.
I'm talking about this hose. I mean this fucking wire harness. Watch yourself. 10 right here too. Boy, YouTube, check this out. You bleeding?
I slipped my wrist.
Oh, it's bad. Ooh. What you gonna tell your mom? But look, check this out, y'all. This joint all the way in. Damn. Even the wire harness was hanging up here. Seats deployed. Pretty sure y'all saw it. I don't even know how I'm gonna get these seats out because that joint is all bent, so I know the seat ain't gonna go back. I didn't even put a power to it. I even ended up cutting these door harnesses off. This door was not coming off. Too. So as you guys can tell, the car got moved over. We already stripped the hood off of it. It's been a while since we touched the car. We're finally getting back to it. Nothing much changed since the clip before this. I do have someone coming to make a key for me. It'll be a black key for now, just to see if I can get this car running, if it even starts at all. And then if it does start, I will be putting it in the 300. But I do want to put a jump box on it to see if it has any type of life. Since we got it, we didn't put no power to it. Yeah. Let me know if you have any power.
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
How many miles it got? Tail lights on. Can't see it?
The button fucked up.
What button?
Right here. Push to start. Look at the push to
Oh,
start.
51,000 miles.
Bro, look at the push to start.
Why when I turn the headlights on, it gets really dark?
Push to start.
Damn, chairs are jammed. I don't know how I'm gonna get these seats out. I don't know, Brisky. We're gonna have to figure it out. We're gonna have to figure it out. This whole car is tweaked, chat. Let's check if this thing has any freon. Oh, it probably doesn't. Actually not going to take this apart until we get the key made, because when it starts it's going to shoot coolant and transmission fluid everywhere. But right now we are taking out the interior. If y'all don't know, if your seats are stuck, this is one way to get the seats to move back. You see that?
Show him. What?
Yo.
What?
How did you leave it like this? Yo.
This joint didn't move at all?
No.
No.
Right.
Bro, what, bro?
Why would you leave this up here?
I didn't leave it up there.
It's not tools, it's clip. Where we going? Come on now.
Oh, give me a pride bar.
Come on, bro. I gotta organize this real quick.
Pride bar,
Alright, guys. We got the first carpet off. BCM looked like it got touched. Hopefully it's just the casing and not the actual BCM itself. Because if that's the case, I got a V6 casing I can use. Hopefully the wire thing get pinched or none of that. Well, I'm sick. What weather strip? Yeah, I took the weather strip off already. We vacuumed this side just so it's a little cleaner to go on the car. Fuck yeah, this whole dash is bent. We got the glass off. Check, bad news. The frame crushed the wires.
like 2
Now we got
wires.
his place. Only 2?
It looks like 2. I'm going through all of them to really
Oh,
see.
yeah, we gotta make sure because car could go crazy, like a bunch of lights on the dash for 2 wires. So we gotta make sure we fix that. So if I do end up in the 300, I don't sit here and guess what could be the issue. So let's go ahead and take care of that now before we even take any of this out. Currently about to take the dash and the headliner out. Still waiting on my guy to come program this key for me. Hopefully he could be here in the next 30 minutes. Alright, YouTube, so guess what came today? Tail lights and my new headlights. Let's go ahead and get these installed. I'm currently putting the sport bumper together, as you guys can see. And if you guys are watching this video, if you guys need bumpers and hood for the Chryslers, I got a lot of them in stock. Let me know down below what color I should wrap it. I am getting a new fender for it and possibly a new door. This I will have to get fixed. But for the meantime, I'm gonna make her look like a cat. I also did manage to pick up some new wheels for the wide body. I need 2 tires, so I'm gonna wait till I get the 2 tires and throw them on. Yeah, both cars are coming together. I'm in no rush to put these 2 cars together. I'm still working, as you guys can see. Got a Chrysler in. This is a Scat. Got a Chrysler in for caliper repaint. Damn. And I'm gonna be wrapping this hood gloss black and doing a few things. And if any of my viewers are watching me, or if you got any 5-stars for sale that's not too far from Philly, DM me. I'll buy them. And hold the tax, please. Which I think of this color though. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and remove the rest of these sevens. Get this bumper fully removed. Trash ass bumper. Honestly, I don't even know why they make these bumpers when they're so ugly. If I haven't already showed you guys, these are the headlights. Of course, they are the gray ones, black and gray ones, the best ones. If you don't got these headlights, make sure you get them. Not sponsored, from eBay. If I haven't already showed you guys, these are the headlights. Let's go ahead and get these installed. They should already have the bulbs in them. Hopefully they are. Yes, they are. Let's get these installed. Slap the bumper on. So unfortunately, I am recording on my phone. I don't have my DJI, so I can't set up the phone real quick to do a little time lapse of me slapping this front end on. But I will pick you guys up once the headlights are on. Let's make sure they work before I put the other 2 bolts on. I can already tell they're working. Bolts work. Your roads work perfect. Alright, here are the tail lights. Yep. The car is a 15, so it did come with these tail lights, but it came with the chrome versions. Let me show you what they look like. Because bro, on this car, he has chrome. Hopefully I don't get wet. I don't know if you can see, but it's like not dark right here. So I bought some different ones and I sold the ones on my car. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, we got the tail lights on there. I touched up the wheels. Like a little quick thing. Quick little touch up. Front bumpers on there. I got the headlights on there. I am waiting on my side markers. I didn't wire up the fog lights because this whole bumper is going to come back off. Fitment is not too shabby. I am putting a hood on it. Let me know down below what kind of hood I should do. I know I'm asking y'all what should I do a lot, but I need some suggestions, man. It's like my 20th Chrysler at this point. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna wrap the video right there. I didn't get no outro for y'all while I was there because it just started raining hard as ever out of nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.